It's giving scissor. Where's the concert? Let's see what this part is giving. Oh, she is deep. Look how far back it is. I love that. All right, you guys, so I have a wig today. I get so excited when I get wigs in now because I don't do wigs too often. And they sent me some goodies, all that good stuff. And this hair is by Premier Lace Wig. Okay. So it's a full 13x6 frontal. And then we have like this breathable cap that's perfect. And you have a drawstring. I actually prefer to have a drawstring versus the adjustable straps. I don't even be using those, honestly. Let's see what she's giving. All right, so here's what we're working with straight out of the box. And here's the hairline. I really want to do like long bang to like come down and frame my face. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm going for. I want something like this. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm just going in with my hot comb and pressing everything back. I already done this side. You can see here I haven't done this yet. Just going through and hot combing the hair back. That just makes it easier when it comes to installing the wig. Then the back, I'll just the strap and tuck the rest. Using my favorite lace spray by the Frontal Queen. So all I would do, spray a little bit, rub it in, then blow dry. Oh shit, hold on now. I ain't trying to waste her. Let me just spray it on my finger again. That drip was a little too much to waste. Then it came down to my eyebrow. What the hell, Leonte? Oh, my rings. I got these rings from Fashion Metro. Like, it used to be called It's Fashion. And it was like a pack of 5 for like $1.99. I jumped right on the baby. I got another pack for like 99 cents. Because when I go to those stores, I only be shopping clearance. I know they do markdowns on Tuesdays, so I be in there on Wednesday. Anybody else like that, or is it just me? Like, I want a new Apple Watch, but I'm going to wait. I'm doing 75 hard, and I've been working out every day since January 1st, really since January 31st, according to my old watch. Today is the 5th, which means, so I'm on day 36. And I told myself that if I make it all the way to day 75, then I will get myself a new Apple Watch. Because my watch now, I've had that watch for at least like 6 years. And I've honestly fell in love with working out. I love the way it just transforms my day. Like, I have so much more energy when I work out in the mornings. And plus the results, like, I'm slowly but surely starting to get the results that I want. I'll calm that out a little bit. So when I first started doing 75 hard, I said that I was gonna like reward myself every week, but that's not even necessary. The reward is that I keep going back the next day. That's my reward. But I have decided to reward myself like once a month. So like at first I was trying to do once a week, but I found myself spending more money than what I need to. I'm going to cut this lace and then melt one more time and then put on my band. So the first week I bought a new workout 2-piece set, which was really cute. I got it from Family Dollar. If you watched any of my like luxury haul videos, it was that brown and like leopard set. I was surprised that Dollar General actually had that. The jacket was $12 and the leggings was $10, but I also purchased it on Saturday and got to use the 5 off 25 coupon. And when I do stuff like that, baby, I be making sure my total be right there at the threshold. And then I love that set so much, I went and got another color, which is like this tan one I haven't even wore yet. That's why I was like, I can't do weekly. Going out to the store to purposely buy something, I don't know when to stop. As a reward, I took out quite a bit over there. But since I hit my 1 month, I did buy some perfume. I bought it off of Temu. The Kayali, I just got some Kayali perfume from Sephora. Now that one was $100. But I was just trying to see what Temu was giving. I wonder if it's gonna come in like the original bottle. And it cost like $18. That was with shipping, because you know Temu be trying to throw in their little $2.99 shipping. But am I the only person that would get perfume from Temu? This is my first time ordering perfume from Temu. Oh, it's like Kayali. Hold on. And then you know how they say where it's being shipped from, and it said the Kayali warehouse. So, but I will order like discounted perfume. I like to use this website, fragrancenet.com. That's my go-to, baby. And they be smelling the same to me, but they don't say Kayali. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry completely, and then I will put on my melt band, give it about 5 minutes, and I'll be back so we can style this bad boy. Okay, while my band is on, and like I said, you want to make sure that your hairline is completely dry before applying the band. Now let's go ahead and get some curls in this hair, because yes, this is cute. You can just leave it like this, but I want to do a little more. Let's see what this part is giving. Oh, she is deep. Wow. Jeez, you go right here. It's literally the crown of my head. Look how far back it is. I love that. And I'm just going to do some big curls because I want them really loose, like to mimic the texture of the hair now. Hold on. But yeah, I got some trips coming up this month. Less than 2 weeks, I'll be going to New Orleans with my cousins. So I'm super excited for that. And I made like some trip party favors for everyone, including myself. I'm gonna do like a shorts. I already bought everything for it. I just have to put everything together. I can't wait to give it to everybody because it's so cute. I don't know if you guys have seen videos where people will pack, you know, like a small little airplane liquor bottle. It has like medicine. I got Tylenol, Advil, vitamin C packs, liquid IV. I got some lotion, and it's all like little travel size. So cute. I got some shot glasses. I really wanted to put like everyone's initial on their shot glass. I will see if Hobby Lobby has like some of that DTF transfer and like the letters, and I can do everyone's initial on the shot glass. That'd be cute. Clear little pouches from Hobby Lobby, because it's going to be 4 girls and 2 guys. I put some poop spray in there. I got like some little stain wipes, some off brand, but they're like some little stain wipes. I went to a party last year and they gave out little favors, and I got some matches, and we got like a wine opener. Instead of shot glasses, we got like little short drink glasses. They was really good quality. My shot glasses are really good quality too. I might do a regular YouTube video on it so I can actually talk about everything, because the shorts, it's just gonna be me showing it real briefly. And I got my shot glasses from Burlington Coat Factory, and they was on clearance. It was like $2.99, and they super thick and they square. Oh, they look so good. Have anyone ever done like trip party favors? This is my first time doing it, and I feel like this may be a staple of mine. Oh, and I got the girls lip gloss, and I got the guys some Aquaphor chapstick, because I have some Aquaphor chapstick, and baby, I was like, is it anything on my lips? But my lips be so hydrated, it's just not glossy at all, like no sheen to it. So that's why I got them that. I got so much. It's so cute. The last time I calculated, I spent like $126, I think it was. And I still have to get liquor, like little airplane bottles, and I still want to get cigars, because that's going to be fun. I feel like we all should just light our cigars one night. That'll be cute. Okay. Ouch, you got stuff on my kitchen back there. Oh yeah, she down. Okay. Got the curls back. Probably have to just cut a few layers in it to get it to do what I want it to do. I don't want this to be like a bang though. Like I want it to be a bang, but not a full bang. Just layer it up. Curl it. It's giving SZA. Where's the concert? Now these curl. That is what I want. Oh, that might have done something right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get some holding spray because this is exactly how I want it. Okay, taking my bed head. Oh, I literally sprayed. My lashes are sticking together. Whew. I want the volume. Okay, gorgeous. I didn't add any makeup or anything to my part. It's perfect, just like this. Look at this hair. Oh my god, look at all of the body. The hair holds a curl. The long flared out bangs. Ugh. Ooh, pullback is gorgeous. Ooh, chocolate will eat. Alright, so that's it. Chit chat down below with me on some of the topics I discussed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the comments. Alright, to the side, it would have ate too. I mean, it's giving supermodel. Like, where's the runway?